This NBA season about to be straight because like D-Lo is about to go on the Golden State Warriors. That's crazy. What?
What vid?
Don't even worry about it. Come on. See, why you always got me recording all the time?
You ain't good on camera.
I'm not good on.
You mean I'm not good on camera? Your looks like too much.
Take those shades on, bro. Take those shades on. Alright, what's up, man? In this video, I'm about to show y'all how I cleaned my Jordan 12 playoffs. I got these joints back in 2012, so that was a long time ago. So here's how they look like, man. All right, you can see they draw like turning yellow, and they're dirty too. So I'm about to show y'all how to clean them, and the paint's chipping off too. I'm about to show y'all how to get rid of that too. So yeah, bro. So make sure you pay attention because this joint about to be quick, man. All right. So the first step. So this is first step, is to clean the shoe. Take your sponge, any sponge you want to use, and then your shoe and Jason Mark. All you gotta do is boom, 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 boom. Alright, so let's get the scrubbing.
Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Nigga, you want me cause I got the dope. Pass that girl right on my friend, give me go. He passed me Humphrey, so they switching.
Alright guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I went hard on the cleaning part, and step one is done. This is how it looks like. I even cleaned it off camera because, you know, I got tired of holding it in that position, so I just did it off camera. And this is how it looks like after you clean it with the Jason Mark. You can use anything too. You can use soap, dish soap, but that's gonna dry out your shoe, so I don't know if you want to use that. Best option is Jason Mark. So yeah, this is the best it looks once you clean it. Alright. Now step two is to use this Soul Bright. Alright, so for this next part, what I got is a brush. Alright, and I'm gonna use the brush to paint the Soul Bright on the soles of my shoes right here, like all around here. And even though the shoe kinda looks dirty, this is all like yellowing and like, you know what I'm saying, tough dirt that I can't get out, but that Soul Bright is gonna get it out. It's gonna turn it white again. So yeah, make sure you get all that excess dirt off, and you're ready to do the step, man. This is how you do it. Just dip it in, get about that much, and start brushing, man.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it.
Alright guys, so the next step, man, is to wrap the shoe up. You want to wrap the shoe up. You can use food wrap. This is what I use. You probably already got it in your house, but if you don't, you can buy it from Walmart, Target. And so what you want to do is you want to wrap the shoe up just like this, and you want to put it outside. Alright, a session for me is like 8 hours out in the sun. The sun is beaming, it's hot outside. That's what I do. I leave it outside for 8 hours. That's how I get the best results, man. So that's what you want to do. Let me show you how to do that. Once the 8 hours is done, what you want to do is take the shoe, take the saran wrap off, and use the Jason Mark to scrub all that Soul right off the sole of the shoe. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright guys, so that's all the steps that I got for y'all on how to whiten the soles of your shoes. And as y'all can see, it looks pretty clean. And yeah. Now, as you can see over here, there's some scuffings. And y'all probably wondering how the f. Now y'all probably wondering how am I gonna get that off? And I'm gonna show you by using flat black Angelus paint. Flat black Angelus paint. This is what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so you wanna be careful on this part because you don't wanna stain like the white part of the shoe, so you gotta be careful. This paint doesn't really run that much, so you'll be straight if you're really careful with your hands. So let me show you how I do this. You just want to lightly stroke it. You don't want to use a lot of paint over it, so just lightly stroke it. Alright guys, so the next step is to let the paint dry. Once the paint dries, I'm gonna put Angelus finisher. Just to warn y'all, this stuff is really runny, so yeah, you just want to take like a little bit and then start working on the shoe. Start from up top to like, yeah, because this stuff is really runny. And stroke it lightly. You don't want to press too hard, and yeah. Alright guys, so the Angelus finisher's been applied, everything's looking straight. I'm just gonna let the shoe sit there for an hour or two to let it dry off. Right now this is how it looks like. It looks clean and everything. Those scuffs right here, now it's all gone. Scuffs right here, it's all gone. Yeah, it's looking pretty brand new. So those are my steps. Hopefully y'all learned something. Hopefully y'all buy the products, use it on other shoes, other yellowed shoes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm about to do it on the Yeezys tomorrow. Hopefully I can get that video up like as soon as possible. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. That's the video right there, bro. Rewind to the first minutes of the video or first seconds of the video. You're gonna see how yellow it was, and fast forward to now, bro. You're gonna see how clean it is. So yeah, that's the video right there, bro. And that's Look for Soko, and I'm out.
Say I keep a check. She was at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride